Let's talk about Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, a name you might have seen on your laptop, gaming console, or even in the news, but may not know much about. AMD is a company powering the technology you use every day, often behind the scenes, making your digital experiences faster, smoother, and more reliable. As a leading semiconductor company, AMD designs the advanced chips that run everything from high-end gaming consoles and personal computers to massive data centers that keep the internet running. For years, AMD was seen as the underdog to industry giant Intel, but that's changed dramatically in recent years. Under the visionary leadership of CEO Dr. Lisa Su, AMD has transformed into a true innovator, consistently delivering some of the most powerful and energy-efficient chips on the market. Today, tech giants like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google rely on AMD's processors to power their vast cloud computing networks and data centers, trusting AMD to deliver the performance they need. Why do these companies choose AMD? It's because AMD's chips offer not just top-tier performance, but also impressive energy efficiency, helping companies save on costs while enabling new, cutting-edge technologies. AMD isn't just about PCs anymore. They're building the foundation for artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and high-performance computing, driving innovation across industries. Their technology powers breakthroughs in everything from life-saving medical research and scientific discovery to the creation of stunning movie special effects and immersive gaming experiences. So, when you think of AMD, don't just see a chip maker, see a key enabler of the future, helping to shape the world of tomorrow. Understanding AMD's role in the tech ecosystem is crucial for any investor or tech enthusiast today, as their influence continues to grow. This is a company shaping the next era of technology, one innovation, one breakthrough at a time. Why is Wall Street buzzing about AMD? Two words: artificial intelligence. But there's more to the story than just a tech trend. AMD is at the heart of a seismic shift that's redefining the future of technology and business. AI is no longer science fiction. It's transforming every industry, from healthcare to finance, manufacturing to entertainment. And it's hungry for computing power, demanding more from hardware than ever before. This demand has sparked an AI gold rush, with companies worldwide scrambling for high-performance chips. The race is on to build smarter, faster, and more efficient machines. Alongside AI, cloud computing is booming. Companies now rent computing power from giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. The cloud is the backbone of our digital lives, powering everything from apps to entire businesses. These data centers are the new power plants of the digital age, and they need elite processors to run. Without them, the world's digital infrastructure would grind to a halt. Every time you stream, video chat, or use a smart assistant, you're tapping into these data centers. Our daily routines depend on this invisible network of technology. The need for more powerful chips is exploding, and this is a fundamental shift in how the world works. The demand is only accelerating as technology becomes more integrated into our lives. AMD is one of the few companies able to deliver the high-performance chips fueling this revolution. Their innovation is powering the next generation of AI and cloud computing. Demand is nearly insatiable, and companies are planning years ahead, seeking reliable partners. The stakes have never been higher for those who can deliver. AMD isn't just selling products. They're providing the essential tools for the biggest tech transformation of our time. Their chips are the engines driving innovation forward. This puts AMD in a powerful position, with influence stretching across industries and continents. They're at the center of the AI and cloud revolution, shaping the digital landscape of tomorrow. That's a business you want to understand, because the future is being built right now, and AMD is helping to lead the way. How is AMD capturing the AI market? With a powerful new weapon, the Instinct MI300 accelerator. Accelerators are specialized chips designed for the intense math behind AI. NVIDIA once dominated this space, but AMD's MI300 is a true challenger. The MI300 combines GPU and CPU technology with advanced memory in one integrated package, speeding up AI tasks. This gives customers a real alternative to NVIDIA's top chips. Major players like Microsoft and Meta are already adopting the MI300, a huge vote of confidence. Competition means better prices and faster innovation for everyone. AMD has a clear roadmap for future AI accelerators, promising even more performance. This isn't a one-off, it's a long-term strategy to become a permanent force in AI chips. By delivering now, AMD is building trust and opening doors for future products. That's how you build sustainable, long-term growth. Let's talk about AMD's bold move, raising prices on its most advanced GPUs, including the MI300 series. This signals confidence. AMD believes its products are so good, customers will pay more. It's a shift from being the low-cost alternative to a premium player. Higher prices mean higher margins and profits, which can fuel more innovation. For shareholders, this could mean a higher stock price. But there's risk. If customers balk at the price, they might turn to NVIDIA or delay purchases. The key is whether AMD's performance and availability justify the cost. It's a high-stakes bet, and the market will be watching closely. If it works, AMD's financials could soar. If not, it could backfire. This is a pivotal moment for AMD. AMD's unique strength? It's a master of both CPUs and GPUs. CPUs handle general computing, GPUs excel at parallel tasks like AI. AMD can offer integrated solutions, chips designed to work together seamlessly. This is a huge advantage for data centers, boosting performance and efficiency while lowering costs. The MI300A combines AMD's Zen CPU and CDNA GPU in one package, ideal for supercomputers and research. Offering all-in-one solutions means higher value and margins for AMD. This dual expertise gives AMD flexibility. Some customers want CPUs, others GPUs, many want both. It diversifies AMD's business and makes it more resilient. Unlike NVIDIA or Intel, AMD is a contender in both arenas. That's a powerful strategic position. What could push AMD's stock higher? First, relentless demand for AI chips. If AMD captures even a fraction of this market, the impact on revenue and profits could be huge. Second, AMD's EPYC server CPUs are steadily taking market share from Intel, especially among cloud giants. This is a steady engine of growth. Third, as AMD sells more high-end products, its profit margins should expand. Wall Street loves that. Proving it can command premium prices could force analysts to raise their forecasts. Finally, AMD's leadership under Dr. Lisa Su has built trust with customers and investors. A clear product roadmap and consistent execution inspire confidence. As long as AMD delivers, investors will likely reward the stock. Execution is everything, and AMD has it. Now, let's take a closer look at the risks that could threaten AMD's future. Competition in the semiconductor industry is relentless. NVIDIA currently dominates the AI GPU market, while Intel is fiercely battling to reclaim its leadership in CPUs. NVIDIA's powerful software ecosystem, especially its CUDA platform, gives it a significant advantage. Meanwhile, Intel is investing billions of dollars in new technologies and manufacturing capacity to catch up and potentially surpass its rivals. If Intel manages to regain its technological edge, it could spark aggressive price wars, putting pressure on AMD's profit margins and making it harder to compete. There's also the risk of major customers like Google and Amazon designing their own custom chips. If these tech giants rely less on AMD, the company's addressable market could shrink. While these companies will likely continue to buy some chips from AMD, this trend toward insourcing could limit AMD's long-term growth potential and slow its expansion into new markets. Broader economic risks matter too. If a recession hits, companies may slash IT budgets, leading to weaker demand for AMD's products and a slowdown in sales growth. And with so much optimism already priced into AMD's stock, even a small disappointment or missed target could trigger a sharp and sudden drop in share price. The company's high valuation leaves very little room for error. Investors are expecting near-perfect execution. If AMD misses expectations, faces production delays, or encounters supply chain issues, the stock could fall quickly and dramatically. These risks are real, significant, and must be respected by anyone considering an investment in AMD. Remember, you're paying a premium for perfection, and in the fast-moving world of semiconductors, perfection is incredibly hard to deliver. Stay vigilant and always weigh the risks. Can AMD overcome these hurdles? Let's break it down. NVIDIA's CUDA is a strong moat, but AMD is investing in its own open-source platform, ROCm. The demand for AI chips is so high, there's room for more than one winner. Customers want alternatives to avoid dependence on a single supplier. Intel is a threat, but AMD's multi-year lead and customer trust are big advantages. AMD's strategy: keep innovating and stay ahead. As for hyperscalers designing their own chips, it's expensive and difficult. Most will still buy from AMD for general tasks. AMD is partnering with these companies, turning potential threats into opportunities. The biggest immediate risk is whether customers accept AMD's higher prices. If they do, profits soar. If not, AMD may need to adjust. High valuation means investors need patience and a long-term view. Believe in the story, but be ready for volatility. So, what's the verdict from Wall Street analysts? Most are bullish on AMD. The majority rate it a buy or strong buy, seeing more upside ahead. Their price targets are well above current levels, based on strong growth in data centers and AI chips. They expect AMD to capture meaningful AI market share from NVIDIA and expand profit margins. Some analysts are cautious, citing competition and high valuation as concerns. They're not bearish, just wary that the stock isn't cheap. In summary, AMD has transformed from underdog to leader, with the right products at the right time. The opportunity is massive, but so are the risks. Wall Street believes in the bull case, but you must decide what's right for you. Ultimately, you control your financial destiny.